Today we're going to be making a one pot pasta. What's great about this recipe is everything really is made in a single pot, so it's a really easy cleanup and a really quick recipe in about under 30 minutes. It also has lots of great nutrients with whole grains from the whole wheat pasta, spinach, tomatoes for your vegetables, and onions and garlic, which have really great anti-inflammatory properties, as well as the chicken sausage, which is a great source of protein. So this really can be a very balanced dinner meal, even within just this single pot that you're cooking in. We are going to start by slicing our onion into thin slices. And next we're going to cut up the garlic as well into thin slices. We're then going to take the cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes, whatever your preference, and slice them all into halves, which you'll see me do in a moment. Next, be sure to grab a new cutting board because you are cutting chicken sausage, and a new knife. And we are going to slice our chicken sausage into thinly sliced dices, which will then add to our pan. So we're going to add a little bit of the olive oil we already parsed out and add in that chicken sausage, which will then crisp up at the pan. So we're just going to let it sit here. We're going to do about 3 minutes on each side. As each side of the chicken sausage gets nice and crispy, you'll want to give it a couple stirs every now and then. But then once it's done, we'll put it in our bowl and add our water. We're then going to add the onions to the. I like to break mine up into the pieces, but you can just plop the onion right in there too. It doesn't really matter. Next, we're going to add in our garlic, then the cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes, whichever you did, the spinach, our pasta. If it doesn't fit in the pot like mine, once it starts to get soft, it'll come down. We added our spices, which was salt and red pepper, and the rest of the oil, and then a good shake of a pepper shaker, a good grind of a pepper grinder. Start to mix that all together. Again, the pasta will kind of get soft over time and be able to go into the pot. And now you're just going to let it boil until about all the water is gone. It should be about 9 to 12 minutes. Once all the water's evaporated and the pasta's to your liking, you can plate it right up. I added a sprinkle of basil to mine and a little bit of Parmesan cheese, but you can plate it with whatever you like. For more quick and easy recipes, please look for the functional tab at the top of the recipe card.